There are basically 4 different kind of phrases to learn if you want to make a complete phrase in any language. The action phrase, these are your verbs, and Samoan verbs are connected to tense markers. Put them together, that's your action phrase. In this case, we have a past tense marker sa and the verb savali, or to walk. Was walking. Then who or what does the action? That would be our subject. If my dad was walking, we'd have our tense and our action together making the action phrase. And then who was doing the walking? My dad or the subject. Sa savali lo'u tama. Then there's the location phrase. This is where the action is happening. My dad was walking to the store. The location is the store. And then the time it happened. Ananafi means yesterday. So altogether, my dad was walking to the store yesterday. Sa savali lo'u tama ilefale oloa ananafi. Tense in our action, our subject, our location, and then the time. All of these phrases coming together to make a complete sentence. If you follow my Samoan post for the next 30 days, we're going to cover each one of these phrases in order so that you can learn the Samoan language sentence structure style. It'll be really brief and basic on this platform, but you can find other videos at the Mato section of the PasifikaPages.net website. Oh, and before I forget, if you want to learn how to teach the sentence structure style of your own Pasifika language, join the free Pasifika language curriculum development class January 9th at 6 p.m. California time via Zoom at PasifikaPages.net.